I'm out here training my puppy on this lead leash and teaching her to stay and to come on command. So since she is sitting, I'm going to back up here. Stay. Hey, Bougie, sit. Stay. Bougie, come. Good girl. Good girl. So I really like this leash. It does a great job of allowing me the distance. And I come over here to show you something. Here she comes with me. It also comes in a bag right here, which allows me just to put the rope into there, which is nice. Get to see here, this is a 30-foot, so I have enough room here to begin training her on these commands and teaching her what to do. So I try this again here. Bougie, 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 sit, stay. Bougie, come. Good girl. So yeah, this is a great safe way to begin training my dog, and it does have a hoop at the end that I could hold on to here as well. But since she's small and just small little segments of learning, this is how we begin, and she's doing pretty good. I'm enjoying her.
Anche oggi ti sei arrotolata con la zampa? Ti sei liberata da sola? Brava! Anche oggi siamo venuti a villa, quando il tempo lo permette. Prima c'era un solissimo. Mi sono persa la pettorina di questa piccola. Chissà dove stiamo. Tutto sto prato che ci siamo fatti. Clea! Amore! Ah, come sei brava! Ritorni? Ti sei imparata a ritornare? No, lei ritorna, è proprio brava. Vabbè, noi continuiamo a cercare la pettorina. Andiamo? Questi cani col tartufo non mi aiutano proprio, non sanno di che parlo. Ma che cosa cerchi, mamma? Mila? 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 Non ascolta. La bocca sì. Ready? Bring it here. Good girl. Drop.